Learn from incident. 11. Mumbai, hoarding collapsed in a petrol pump at Ghatkopar, Mumbai. Nature of incident, 74 injured and 14 fatal. Date, May 13, 2024. Time of incidents, 9:24 a.m. Location, Ghatkopar, Mumbai. Type of incident, hoarding collapsed in a petrol pump. Brief about incident. The hoarding collapsed in a petrol pump on Monday, May 13, 2024, after a dust storm hit the city with winds of over 60 km per hour. The tragedy claimed the lives of at least 14 people, while 74 have been injured amid allegations of weak foundation. These were around 150 vehicles in the petrol pump, with some taking shelter from rain, at the time of collapse. Sequence of events. 1. Erection of unauthorized hoarding. Eco Media Private Ltd. erected a massive hoarding in Ghatkopar without obtaining the necessary permission from the BMC. The hoarding, weighing 250 tons, was not in compliance with BMC regulations. 2. Collapse and loss of life. Due to the weight and improper installation of the hoarding, it collapsed, resulting in a tragic loss of 16 lives. The collapse highlighted the dangers of unauthorized construction and signage in densely populated urban area. 3. Rescue operation by NDRF. Following the collapse, the NDRF initiated a rescue operation using heavy machinery to search for surveyor and clear the debris. The operation required significant resources and coordination to ensure the safety of rescue personnel and bystanders. Root cause. Lack of oversight. There were indications of inadequate oversight by regulatory authorities in monitoring the safety standard of billboard across the city. The absence of regular inspection and enforcement of compliance measure may have contributed to the incident. Structural weakness. Preliminary assessments suggested that the collapsed billboard suffered from structural weakness, potentially due to poor maintenance or substandard construction materials. The hoarding had dimension of 120 square feet, which exceeds the permit limit of 40 square feet. Unauthorized advertisement panels. Hoarding weight is 250 ton were erected without obtaining any permission from BMC, and that it violated Section 388 of the Mumbai Municipal Corporation (MMC) Act. Design failure. Wind load analysis not done properly, due to which it led to this failure. As hoarding was of 120 feet wide and 120 feet high, which requires wind load analysis. Why it shows that wind load wasn't assessed properly because structure failed along with its foundation, which shows the wind pressure didn't assessed before. Learning from incident. Adherence to regulations. The incident emphasizes the critical importance of obtaining permission for installation of hoarding as per the BMC rules. Safety first. Safety should always be prioritized. Construction or installation of hoarding project to prevent accidents and protect public welfare. Accountability. Individuals and companies must be held accountable for negligence or violations that result in harm to others. Legal action serves as a deterrent and reinforces the importance of following regulations. Conclusion. The hoarding collapse in Ghatkopar, Mumbai, serves a stark reminder of the consequence of disregarding regulations and safety protocols in hoarding and its foundation and other aspect construction project. It underscores the need for strict enforcement of regulations, accountability for negligence, and continuous efforts to ensure public safety in urban environments. Thank you.